Smoothies, what you need to know. Healthy smoothies encourage weight loss through the natural inclusion of numerous fruit and vegetables. This is great as they are low in calories, high in energy, providing excellent nutritional support and also very fulfilling. When considering smoothies as part of your weight loss goals, it is important to keep it nutrient balanced. This means lots of fruits and vegetables, as well as an excellent source of protein. Also, including some nutrient-dense supplements, such as flax seed, aloe vera juice or chia seeds can help to make the drinks very nutritious, filling and enjoyable to drink. What are the options? Some vegetable options that work great in smoothies include greens such as spinach or kale, as well as avocados. Leafy green vegetables do not alter the taste of a smoothie, but they do add essential vitamins and minerals, such as iron, vitamin A, and vitamin C. Avocados are a healthy source of fat, and they can be beneficial not only for weight loss but the overall health of the body. Add these beautiful vegetables generously to any smoothie to increase fiber and reach your weight loss goals with ease. There are also a variety of fruits to choose from when deciding on your smoothie recipe. Some of the best fruits to add to your healthy cocktail include bananas, berries, pineapples, and mangoes. The key is to use your imagination when mixing your fruits, and also to keep your blender colorful. Not only will a good variety of fruits help to enhance the nutritional value of your smoothie, but they will also expose you to new taste sensations, keeping your beverages interesting and fun. Finally, some may find it important to incorporate a high-quality protein source into their smoothies. It depends on the goal. I usually do not do this when trying to lose weight as I have found them to be unnecessary. Protein sources that might work well in these beverages include milk, almond milk, soy milk, protein powders and yogurt. Each will add a unique consistency and flavor to your drink, so if you do go this route, start slow, try a few, and find the one that works best for you. Also, it is possible to incorporate protein-filled nut butter, such as peanut butter or almond butter, into any healthy smoothie blend. This I do regularly, even when trying to lose weight. Just try for the most organic, natural versions you can find. Losing weight can be a challenge on its own, and that's why having the option of an appetizing and nutritious smoothie that is easy to drink and fun to make gives you something to look forward to. The difference between juicing and smoothies. Smoothies and juices are both loaded with nutrients and taste fabulous. While they do have the same properties as the fruits or vegetables in their raw form, their being in liquid form have different textures and appearances. These differences lie in the procedure, methods, and machines used to make each drink. The major differences. When you blend, you end up consuming the food in its entirety, although some were already pulverized. So, if you blend an apple, your body will digest the full fruit. When you do juicing, the fibrous portion is removed. So, what is left are the micronutrients in a liquid form. As for the process, you have two procedures in juicing. You may use the juice to squeeze the water instantly, or you may do it manually. The juice extractor is necessary for harder fruits and vegetables. As for the smoothies, it requires either a high-performance or traditional blender. When the liquid, broth, milk, or fresh juice is processed in a puree in a blender, the drink is smooth and thick. Smoothies are thicker and filling than juices since they have the fibrous cellulose and pulp, which have been removed from the juice. All about juicing. Juicing is the best way to get healthy nutrients into your body as quick as possible. It is quick in a sense that it does not require a long preparation, yet you are still getting the essential nutrients needed in your body. Juicing has several health benefits, including weight loss, body hydration, boosting your immune system, and remove serious diseases. They say water is everything, true. The water in juice is a natural source of water that will help to hydrate you as well as give you essential fatty acids, minerals, vitamins, proteins and carbohydrates. In addition to this, the fresh juice will also provide you with enzymes that are vital to your metabolic process and are critical elements in giving your body the best energy. Fresh juice delivers the raw goodness of fruits and vegetables to your system, almost like an intravenous injection. To be able to enjoy the benefits, the juicing must be from fresh fruits and vegetables, and not a powdered or ready-made juices you can find in the supermarket. All about smoothies. Smoothies are full of energy and nutrients. It works the same thing as the whole meal because you are not only getting the liquid of its form. Smoothies work best for busy people because hectic schedules make it impossible for them to take breakfast regularly. Weight problems are not a small problem. There are two kinds of diet regimen the smoothies can give. It can either help you maintain or lose weight. Unlike the pills and supplements, vitamins that are ingested from food are much more beneficial and healthier. Smoothies will help you to stay hydrated. Whether you choose juice or a smoothie, you are still giving your body the essential nutrients. Both of these methods make use of healthy fruits and vegetables. But knowing their differences would help you decide what type of drink will suit for you at the moment. So how do we press on in the face of our diet goals? Well, we're gonna tell you. Today, more than ever, one needs to focus on his or her health and well-being. It is crucial. Our lives are filled with deadlines, meetings, work demands and stress. The food we eat is high in calories but low in nutrients. High carbohydrate meals, oily and fatty foods, processed foods, junk food, etc. wreak havoc on our health and bodies. It happens slowly but surely. Therein lies the problem. People do not feel the impact of their poor choices till health problems occur much later on. By then, it can be too late. High cholesterol levels, type 2 diabetes, blood pressure issues and countless other health problems are often a direct result of poor eating and a sedentary lifestyle. Here is an interesting story. The Dalai Lama, when asked what surprised him most about humanity, answered, "Man." Because he sacrifices his health in order to make money. Then he sacrifices money to recuperate his health. And then he is so anxious about the future that he does not enjoy the present, the result being that he does not live in the present or the future. He lives as if he is never going to die, and then dies having never really lived. A wise man indeed. The point to note here is that while your career and family may be important, nothing supersedes your health. From what you've read so far, it may seem to be all gloom and doom if you're guilty of having neglected your health for a while. Cast your fears aside. Your health and body constantly seek to improve and get better. You just need to assist them. This finally brings us to the main point. Green smoothies. The miracle that even Popeye relied on. Technically, Popeye ate spinach. But you get the drift. Your greens are important for good health. There is a movie titled, Fat, Sick and Nearly Dead. You may have watched it, and if you've not, you might wish to check on YouTube to see if it has been uploaded there. The movie is a real-life documentary about Joe Cross, who was 100 pounds overweight and facing several serious health issues. Joe adopted a plant-based diet and mostly drank raw vegetable and fruit juices. Within a few months, he had shed his excess weight and his health had improved by leaps and bounds. This certainly is testament to the power of a healthy diet.